Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we are doing all standing, no repeat, 10-minute express ab workout using one dumbbell. So what we need today is just one dumbbell, no mats, because everything will be standing. We have 10 different exercises that we're just going to go over once. Each exercise will be 45 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds of break. Everything will be low impact. So don't forget your water and your towel. And if you're ready, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 집에서 아니면 헬스장에서도 단 10분 만에 서서하는 반복 없는 복근 운동을 해볼 건데요. 무거운 아령 하나만 준비해 주시면 되고요. 서서하는 동작이니 매트는 따로 필요 없으시고요. 총 10가지 동작을 한 세트만 반복해 볼 거고요. 그 다음에 각 운동은 45초 운동과 15초 휴식으로 이루어집니다. 드실 물과 땀 닦을 타월도 잊지 마시고요. 모든 운동은 층간 소음 없이 이루어집니다. 자, 준비되셨으면 시작해 보러 갈까요? Ready everyone? Let's go and get started with a workout. Big arm circles. Reverse it. Reach up, toe tap back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Forward kicks. 4, 3, 2, 1. Swing your arms, legs side to side. Hip openers. 3, 2, 1. Other way. Reverse it. 3, 2, 1. Hands on your shoulders. Rotate. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Jog that for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go and get started. So first exercise, we're going to start with a side bend. One heavy dumbbell. We're going to start with the left side, side bend. Ready? 45 seconds in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Back straight. Inhale, exhale up. Keep going. Really feeling that in your waist. Good job. Don't drop your shoulders. Bending from the waist. And take a break. 2, we're going to do the other side. Here we go. Okay, 3, we are doing dumbbell swing. If you have a kettlebell, you can use your kettlebell instead as well. So, swing just up to the shoulder. Inhale, exhale. side. Number 4. Squat. So turning from the waist, if you see me from the side, inhale, exhale. Next, right side. 5, from tip, twist to the right. Here we go. So in from the side. So chest is up, head is up. Okay, next one, 6, high knee pull. We don't need no weight. 3 times per leg, number 6, high knee pull. So, 1, 2, 3, switch. See from the side. Take a break. Next one, we're doing plie oblique crunch. Number 7. Whew. Here, and then come up.
I'm laying
Back is straight.
Only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, 'cause this time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk, 'cause you're using it. You got all your secrets.
Next one, march with a knee lift. So, 3 times march and then rotate. Number 8. So 1, 2, 3, rotate. 1, 2, 3, rotate.
But I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no, and they tell me to move on, 'cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk, 'cause you're using
9, no squat walk, press out at the end. So here, twice per leg, twice per side. Squat, diagonal press, or rotate press. 1, 2, switch. 1, 2, switch. Switch. And good job, everyone. We're done for. Stop the timer. Get water. Shake your arms out, shake your legs out, shoulder roll out. Let's do a quick shoulder stretch. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. One more. Switch. One more. Triceps. Oblique stretch. Reach up, slightly lean back, and then release. Good. Quad stretch. We did do some squats though. Switch. Up and over. Hamstring stretch. Let's finish with 3 deep breaths in and out. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. One more time. And that was our 10-minute all standing, no repeat core workout using 1 dumbbell. You can use a water bottle instead if you don't have a dumbbell or anything that's heavy enough to add that resistance and the weight. Thank you so much everyone for joining me today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I post every Tuesday and then I do a live workout every Saturday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope you can join for that as well. And have a wonderful day.